SpeedCell bay requires pallet rack beams and posts. Please reference your SpeedCell configuration drawing for the exact layout and quantities of parts and hardware. Your SpeedCell assembly kit includes the nuts, bolts, crossbeams, J-channels, hangers, and tech screws required to complete the build. Tools required for assembly include a cordless drill with clutch, a socket wrench, a 7/16 socket, a 5/16 nut driver, a socket adapter, a swivel socket, a 3-inch extension. Attach the outer J-channels to the crossbeams. Measure corner to corner to check the squareness of the assembly before fully torquing the hardware. Note that all torque should not exceed 80 inch-pounds. Next, measure the spacing between the lower part of the step beam and the length of the crossbeam. Following the official SpeedCell installation instructions, use the formula to determine how you will attach the hanger using the correct group of holes. Install all hangers and fully torque the hardware on the rear row of hangers only. Remember, torque should not exceed 80 inch-pounds. Install the outer hardware in the front row of hangers and tilt the hangers inward. This will allow the steel set to clear the support beams and be placed into the racking. Before placing the steel into the racking, be sure there's a 90-inch clearance under the bottom of the step beam. Place the assembled SpeedCell steel set onto the step beams of your rack. Install the inner hardware in the front row of the hangers. Center the steel set within the bay. Using one tech screw for each hanger, attach all hangers to the step beams using the most appropriate pilot hole provided. After the tech screws are completely installed, you can fully torque all hardware. Attach the remaining J-channels. Install bumpers on one end of the J-channels. Repeat on the other end after you've installed all of your SpeedCell columns. Now, you can drop your SpeedCell columns into the track notches, starting with the back row. Finish installing all remaining columns into the bay and ensure the black nylon webbing is straight on top of the SpeedCell columns.